There is a saying that man can become whatever he wants. And if you're not ready to become, you won't be able to become that person. If you are not confident right now, that means you are the one who is stopping yourself. Nobody else is stopping you. You are becoming less confident day by day because you are not doing something which is needed. Hey guys, this is so common to understand that if you want to become great public speaker, if you want to become great communicator, if you want to speak English really well, that means you have to do that thing really well. And how can you do this thing really well? When you will do this, you will understand this, right? This is so obvious that if you're not confident in something, means you're running from the situation, you're not doing the thing which is needed, you are relying on your feelings, and your feeling is not going to take you anywhere. You are the one who will take you anywhere you want to. But the main problem is that you're relying on your feelings. When you go and communicate with someone, your feelings, your heart says, hey, I'm scared. What if she'll say this? What if he'll say this? What if that person judged me? What if she will say this? You are thinking about the thoughts which is running in your mind. Can you please for a second get out of your mind? Can you do that for me? If you want to become confident, the first thing that you need to do is not listen to yourself. Do not listen to your feelings because your feelings are not true. These are something which is making you feel weaker. Now, unexpectedly, the power is gone. My mind says, hey Shweta, you should stop right now because the lighting is not good. Because viewers are not gonna watch your video because your lighting is not so good. But do you think I really care about the lighting? No. But my mind is saying certain thoughts. I think sometimes we are in the situation where our mind is the one who stops us to do so many good things. What if I am just thinking about that and the light is not going to come till evening, but my work will stop? This is what you're doing right now with yourself. I am going to record this video. I don't give a shit about the lighting and all because I don't care. Because I am determined to that. I am not gonna take any excuses to not make video because I want to make video. Do you think that people are passing here and I care about them? Yes, I used to care about. Still, it's in my mind that, hey, people are passing. What if they listen to me? Am I abusing right here? No, they are passing. Let them pass. What if they see me doing this? Am I doing something wrong? Let them do whatever they want to do. I think my mind, our mind, I would say, our mind is something which always stops us doing so many great things. But who is stopping yourself? You are the one who is stopping yourself. I think you should never ever do this. I have realized that all the time our mind try to tell us, hey, you cannot do this if you are in a negative mindset. If you're not reaching to the level of mentality where your mind says, hey, I don't give, I don't care who is who and what is happening around you. I don't care about this. I do not care whether my mind says, hey, you cannot speak. Hey, you are getting scared. Don't speak, don't speak, don't speak. Hey, I'm gonna speak. I am going to speak. Just say whatever you want to say because I am not gonna listen to you because I have been listening to my mind and I have been not doing so many things. I have made my record. I have made this. Okay, I made a mistake. My mind is saying, hey, you made a mistake. What will be the impression of the... Now my mind is saying, hey, say the same line again because what if people will listen to you stuttering? Hey, are you not stutter? Have you never ever stutter in your life? We all stutter, yeah. Just realize all the time your mind stops you. If you are not going to listen to it, you will be the winner. I bet you will be the winner. So guys, do only one thing, which is not listen to your mind. Do not listen to your thoughts. Especially if it's stopping you doing so many things, doing what is needed, do not listen to it. When you will ignore your thoughts, when you will ignore your negative thoughts especially, you will reach somewhere which is so beautiful, where you will be fearless, where you do not care. Think about the moment when your mind is not listening to anything, when your mind is free, You're free to do anything. For example, listen to me, okay? Who is your favorite actor? Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, someone who is out of Bollywood. I would say my favorite hero is Salman Khan, okay? And he acts so well. What if he thinks that people are watching me? How will I do this? Oh, what if they laugh? What if they say? What if they judge me for my looks? What if they judge me for my moves, what I do? He never thinks. That's why he's where he should be, right? He never thinks about these things, but we think. And that is why we are not Salman Khan, I would say. Yes, this is the only reason we are not becoming the hero of our life, because we are listening our mind. I think there is a limit. When we cross this limit, when we do not listen to anything, we become what we want to become. I was the one who used to think a lot about the people. You won't believe, when I started taking the track of my own thoughts, I got stunned. 50, no, not 50, 80% of time I was thinking, what will people think of me if I do this? When I realized that I'm doing this with myself, I just suddenly got where I want to be. Do whatever you want to do, guys. Think whatever you want to think. Say whatever you want to say. I am gonna do what I want to do. This is what you need to do. If you want to become confident in your life, if you want to be successful in your life, you know what success is? Success is not having a lot of money. Success is not having billions in your account. Success is not that you have the best car in town. No, this is not success. Success is when you can express yourself freely. When you're doing something that you really love. This is success for me. And this era, I am enjoying it. I have realized it, and I want you to realize that, hey guys, nobody is your enemy. You are the one who is your biggest enemy. If you will stop listening to your own self, your own thoughts, which is stopping you to do so many things, which is stopping you to become great, I would say, please stop doing this right now. When you go doing something, when you want to do something, and if in your mind it comes, what if? Stop right there. Stop right there and say, hey, go to hell. Go to hell. Okay. When you listen to your mind, that this mind is saying, what if you make a mistake? Just say to your mind, just go to hell. I'm not going to listen to you today. And this will change your life, guys. This video, I don't know if it's perfect or not. Do you think that it's looking tacky and cheap and hey, whatsoever? I do not care about this, because I am free now. I am free by myself. I do not care about my looks. I do not care whatever you guys think. I think that this is something which I want to share with you. Take this advice, guys. I think this advice can change your life. Become confident. Don't think about your own thoughts. Do not care about the people. Thank you so much.